Punctuality. As the sunflower follows the sun's direction, you should always follow the direction of time. Keeping one's word and being punctual at work are great skills. As the boat is sailed on high tide, you should complete your work within the proper time. Nurturing good health. Cultivating your mind with sincerity and determination yields knowledge and strength, just as churning milk yields butter. Wake up early, refresh yourself by completing your morning routines and responsibilities. Perform your tasks with precision, consistency, and sincerity. Take bath regularly and have your meals at the proper times, as per the guidelines. Do not neglect to take care of your health before your health deteriorates. It is a wise practice not to hide any feelings of illness. It is important to sneeze and cough carefully in public places to prevent unnecessary disruption. Being cautious while sneezing, coughing, or spitting is essential, as failing to do so could lead to the spread of infection. Neither engage nor participate in any kind of addiction that is harmful to your health, especially those that may cause failure to perform your duties. A health-conscious person seldom faces health issues. Do not wake up anyone from sleep, either abruptly or by making noise. Always keep your body clean to keep your mind and others near you happy. Do not suppress urination and defecation. Change your clothes and wash your hands, feet, and face as soon as you return home from work. It is also beneficial to use potash for sanitizing to improve cleanliness. You must do regular physical exercise and think of wellness. Just as thinking of sour tamarind makes your mouth watery, positive thoughts are bound to bring good outcomes. It is a good habit to do regular exercise or get involved in physical activities. Doing it early in the morning will help you maintain consistency even with daily work pressures. Many people assume that foods like butter, milk, meat, and similar items always benefit our health. However, this is not entirely true. Even simple foods, such as rice and lentils, contain enough nutrients to maintain good health. If your body struggles to convert these basic foods into energy, it indicates poor digestion, which needs improvement. Engaging in physical activity or exercise can help enhance digestion. You can choose between freehand exercises or use health equipment. Just as a group of ants gradually and patiently collect their food, similarly, freehand exercises can slowly build energy in the body. Consistently practicing exercise, whether with or without equipment, leads to good results. Therefore, you should follow this advice and be a follower of this approach. The first and foremost responsibility is to adhere to principles that enhance health and prioritize maintaining hygiene and cleanliness. Addressing untouchability and discrimination is secondary concern. Remember, simply disposing of garbage outside your home does not eliminate all health risks or the threat of contagious diseases. The best approach is to keep your neighbor's house and nearby roads as clean as your own. Maintaining hygiene and cleanliness everywhere will significantly reduce health hazards. The very term, brahmacharya, is sweet to hear and even more fulfilling to practice, as it allows the individual to become their own master. Achieving harmony between instincts and the laws of nature helps nurture inner qualities and beauty. By preserving seminal fluids, much like bees gathering honey, you cultivate a sweetness within. When you gain full control over your senses, your mind becomes the master, governing your inner world and leading you toward the noble accomplishments of a true master. Diet conscious. Develop the habit of consuming healthy foods and stay away from unhealthy junk food. At the first sign of minor illness, begin fasting and take appropriate measures to address it. Following a monotonous diet for a long period or experiencing a loss of appetite causes health to fluctuate, much like the ebb and flow of tides. To maintain balance, vary your meals according to the season during meal times. Traditionally, food should always be served with gratification. It is wiser to avoid displaying generosity by offering food prepared for guests after it is spoiled. If you know the food is no longer safe to eat, do not attempt to serve it while claiming it is still good. Avoid forcing or pressuring anyone to eat. Refrain from talking or even whiffing while cooking or serving food. Be careful while talking to avoid spitting even a small amount. Do not consume food at anyone's request when you have no appetite, nor should you remain on an empty stomach if you are hungry. Those who finish their dinner before sunset do not get bewildered or suffer from frequent diseases. Germs and bacteria become active after dark when the sun sets. Therefore, I always suggest finishing your dinner before sunset. Duty of householder. Everyone in the household should look after each other's needs and well-being. Always take care of your parents, siblings, and family. If possible, extend your help to relatives, friends, and neighbors as well. Do not fuel by supporting those who are hostile toward your parents. Immediately expel anyone who scares your parents, siblings, or children in any way with curseful words. Avoid staying out late at night unless it's an emergency. Socializing. At this celebration, the music plays with the melodious notes of the harmonium, sa, re, ga, ma, pa. In the same way, the harmonious tunes exist within all of you as an inner voice, so you should always practice these melodious tunes in your mind. A deity signifies a reflection of the highest virtues. To serve your motherland, you must acquire the manifested qualities inspired by Goddess Durga. Only then will you be able to dedicate yourself truly to the service of the motherland. Always greet guests with warm hospitality. During any occasion, the first and foremost task is to focus on the guest's happiness without any discrimination. Do not become upset by expecting formality or a proper reception from others. Social duties, love and kindness, appreciation and hospitality, formality and generosity, as well as neglect and indifference, hatred and forgiveness, all go beyond your expectations. Being satisfied, you should do your duties and satisfy others through your generous cooperation. The word relation sounds pleasant to hear, but it is good to know that it can also bring danger. Therefore, always be cautious and do not be casual when faced with such situations. The word adoration is a pleasant term, and showing appreciation is a wonderful quality. However, be aware that it is not spread like a contagious transmitted disease. Criticism. Do not participate in criticism. You should not ruin yourself in pursuing fame and should not ridicule yourself by being overly adventurous. Do not create unnecessary quarrels by sharing others' secrets. Never appreciate someone who could be harmful to others. If anyone praises you, neither be flooded beyond your measure nor lose your control. When someone appreciates you, avoid seeking excessive praise as it may bring associated chances of harmful effects. Avoid mocking or making fun of others unnecessarily, as it will only make you appear talkative and loquacious. Always listen, watch, observe, and try to understand the entire world. Do not hastily make any comment nor hurt anyone without knowing and observing anything. Keep trying to study and comprehend thoroughly, as this will establish the essence of your learning. Pride, arrogance, pointless arguments, and criticism should be avoided. Always ask politely, with a patient mind to gain knowledge. Suspiciousness. Do not doubt anyone without a valid reason, whether at home or outside, as it can ruin your mental stability. This will not only make you restless but also ruin the peace of others. Despite your simplicity and innocent demeanor, Always avoid suspicious situations and refrain from suspecting others without cause. Keep on with a curious mind to find out the answer. Suspicion is not bad if there is a curious mind to find out an answer, otherwise, it will be deadly. Do not make comments hastily based on gossip. Be patient and try to uncover the real truth first. Do not suspect or make fun when you see a man and a woman together, as you may not be aware of their actual relationship. Do not stare at anyone in a way that might make them suspicious of you. Be cautious with your gestures while speaking to others, even if you are innocent and have no ill intentions, it could sometimes lead to an unpleasant situation. Do not whisper to anyone while looking at someone. Feelings of being upset and depressed, lack of focus, and believing in destiny mostly rule over our minds. These are common phenomena of the human mind that agitate the mind unnecessarily. These emotions will not affect your ethics or beliefs because the power of wisdom lies within you. All your sense organs should align with the guidance of wisdom in one tune. This will lead all down to the right path, so move forward without fear, as you are all bound by the rule of justice. Anger and temperament. Just as idols are shaped by chiseling mud, you should refine yourself by sharpening your sixth sense. Do not get angry unnecessarily. When both parties are angry, one should remain silent first. Be courteous to everyone and do not annoy anyone. Everyone would rectify their mistakes in a peaceful situation. Do not focus too much on what others say, nor get agitated without understanding or observing anything. Try to adjust a bit. Do not feel disappointed if you are not invited by others. It can be because the situation requires it. Treating others as your own is a wonderful quality. You should foster peace for everyone. When you are deeply passionate and devoted to yourself, you can realize your inner strength through your spiritual enlightenment. Lies or truth, who exists or doesn't, what exists or not, what you desired and acquired, that is the ultimate desire to find solutions to all these questions. This is the true search of life, to find out your absolute state. Responsibility. Those who have the entrusted responsibility, let them not misuse it by the influences of anything. You would be guided by that rule, being controlled and prompted by your inner voice. Those who are careless and absent-minded can face danger at any moment. It's best to stay away from them, as dangers are raised there. One should respond according to the high and low risk conditions in every situation by keeping others alert. For instance, if someone is moving carelessly with a large tumbler of hot water or milk and an absent-minded person is rushing with a baby in his or her arms from another end, a sudden collision could occur. This can happen as an ultimate example of carelessness if that person is not conscious. You must finish your important tasks on time and never leave them for the future. While completing a task, if you realize it's beyond your ability, seek a better arrangement to finish the work, setting aside your pride and ego. This is where noble qualities flourish. Do not be assured after handing over the responsibility to others. If anyone gives a task to you and you undertake that responsibility, then complete it on time. If they forget, kindly remind them. If anyone's work is possible for you, do not avoid it. Before involving someone to do any task, you should initiate it first. One should not do such work that might create problems for others. One should not do a task just for boosting. If you see that even a small effort on your part can be beneficial to others, then proceed with it. Helping others should be your mission, and it will build your personality. Always try to fix everything by sacrificing your interest. Do not instruct anyone on a task without observing their mind and situation. Perform tasks assuming another person's grief were your own. This can produce a good outcome. Before starting any task, carefully evaluate the pros and cons of each aspect. Organize them properly using your intellect and due diligence. Neither involve anyone in any risk-prone work nor cause harm to others for your benefit. Do not keep a request from anyone that may cause harm to someone. Dignity and disgrace. You should always treat a dignified person of honor with the respect they deserve. Some may be annoyed when you're teaching or informing them about something new hastily for the first time. In that situation, your silent move would be the key factor to understanding others. Never ask anything that could embarrass or humiliate someone. Avoid harming yourself by adhering to unnecessary customs. Remember, your politeness and modesty will bring you honor and respect. When you notice someone's mistake, avoid conveying it directly to safeguard their honor. Try to convey the truth intelligently through a healthy discussion and let the person agree with your authentic approach. People often lose their trust when they lose something and become suspicious of others when someone has taken their stuff. This can cause great distress within a family. Keep your patience by not losing your dignity over the lost thing for the sake of overall peace. Do not read those books that provoke or stir up excitement in the mind on reading. While those may contain some useful learning, they mostly create more excitement and enjoyment than proper education. This type of stimulation can sometimes lead to mental disturbance or imbalance. However, by studying the book of nature, you'll be guided along the right path. You'll no longer need external advice on what to do and not to do, as you'll easily recognize the signs of caution. So, be attentive to those lessons, following which you could learn everything. Here, the three main causes of unrest in our lives are greed, fame, and sensuality. If you are always conscious, you can carefully eliminate them without causing harm to yourself. Always assist wise people, and you will benefit too. Try to settle the vagabond individuals to a homely life. Harmony will come to society through your kind efforts. You know that there is a lack of awareness everywhere. Therefore, be cautious with every aspect of your life. If you keep in mind the basic principle that everyone is consuming the other and remain cautious of it at all times, then there won't be any problem. Household life is like a chessboard. Carefully evaluate every move first to avoid falling into a trap. Always prioritize simplicity above all else, acknowledge your own mistakes honestly, and be generous if you find faults in others. That is a sign of greatness. If you do not understand, keep asking again and again. Always be cautious, ensuring that no one is hurt by you. Carry out your actions according to your capacity. If you cross your limits, there may be possibility of danger. Always remain humble and determined to learn. Reverence to religion. Just as a diamond can be found deep within a coal mine, immense power lies within each of you as a tiny, radiant molecule. If you nurture it, your inner power will flourish, so continue seeking it. Do not disrespect the doctrines of others, nor should you compromise with any form of prejudice or superstition. Always remember you are born to achieve and must achieve. Do not lose hope, nor follow those who are hopeless. Prejudice or asceticism related to traditional customs are not inherently tied to your religion. There is no need to renounce anything or practice asceticism because you are naturally born with the spirit of a hermit. From the moment you are born, you embark on a journey of renunciation. As travelers in life, everyone's ultimate destination is the cemetery, symbolizing the ultimate act of sacrifice. Thus, you are an inborn hermit. Just as the constant rubbing of a magnet generates magnetism, your honesty should inspire others to be honest. Similarly, Just as the fragrance of a sandalwood tree spreads to nearby trees, your wisdom would enlighten the spirits of others. You all are admirers of beauty, seekers of excellence, and worshippers of wisdom. Illness and grief, sorrows and sufferings, are melodies and markers indicating the end of our life's last breath. You too are bound in this cycle, so embrace them gladly and strive to understand the reality of life. Always strive through practice and prayer to progress, awakening your knowledge to understand everything. Share wisdom you gain and spread it to enlighten others. Some people initially believe and compromise with so-called traditional scriptures related to justice and injustice in society due to fear, but over time, they grow accustomed. Similarly, when someone visits a crematorium for the first time, they may feel a fleeting sense of momentary dispassion from the world. However, those who live there for a while gradually lose their stoicism, eventually feeling no hesitation to cook and eat in the same place. Therefore, do not justify the eternal truth or judgment based solely on superficial observation or emotion. Always remain dedicated to seeking the truth. If one realizes the truth, then no prejudice can stand in his way, and then, the individual will freely jump into the ocean of wisdom. All the prejudice and bigotry will disappear. Practice self-discipline. Arguments or debates are valuable only when they come with solutions, as solutions are your principles. It's good to be straightforward, but it is also necessary to be careful about the circumstances. Do not talk irrelevantly. Know that prodigality is foolishness, whether in spending money or words. It is observed that excessive speech causes more chaos than peace. Think deeply and thoughtfully before speaking. Unpleasant situations will arise if you talk carelessly. Never keep any word secret if it could harm others. Never lie, even in jest. You should not cross the line while making jokes. Simplicity is a good quality, but often, by taking advantage of simplicity, many people have been put in danger. Therefore, beware. There is no doubt that kind words are sweet to hear. However, people are often deceived by sweetened words. Therefore, always discern the true meaning behind sugar-coated words. Listening to humorous conversations is sweet to listen. When the humor becomes incoherent, then it becomes dangerous. So, saints, be cautious and protect the surroundings with the shield of vigilance. When someone is speaking, no one should interrupt. This good practice expresses the divine quality of patience. You should be firm in justice and be polite and humble while learning and teaching others. These are the core qualities that define a human character. Numerous famous writers, authors, and novelists have impressive descriptions, writing skills, and moral stories. They often achieve their goals through such tricks and clever tactics. Some might be genuine, too. Therefore, always be cautious not to be misled by anyone. In our society, you may encounter monks or saints who pretend to have a direct connection with God or His messenger to fulfill their bad intentions. If you encounter such individuals, always use your judgment to verify their authenticity and assess their genuineness. Good advice is always acceptable to everyone, eliminating all kinds of pride and prejudice. So, it will benefit more rather than harm. Be a good listener and pay close attention, whether a child or an older person. Impartiality is your virtue. Whether it exists or not, it will be penalized through trial. You are the worshipper of divinity. Never give away yourself easily. Instead, observe, wait, use your intellect, and then come to the conclusion. You should disclose only as much as you know. Neither comment nor give any statements that you haven't seen or didn't fully understand. Thereby, the value of your dignity will be enhanced thousands of times. Self-realization, self-criticism. First, Prepare yourself by rehearsing devotional melodies. The harmonious tune will enlighten your inner mind. Then, the devotion will be captivated everlastingly, and all the captives will be melodious in your inner tune. Don't waste your time thinking unrealistic and impractical thoughts. Be practical and understand the reality of the situation. Always keep learning and reflecting in your mind. Therefore, you will comprehend the distinctions between knowledge and ignorance, justice and injustice, as well as the purity and impurity of the state of your mind. To know yourself is to know everything. Keep on searching yourself thoroughly in and out, and that will be the ultimate search. The mind is constantly occupied with various thoughts, but only the appropriate thoughts are acceptable. Before focusing on anything, comprehend its inner significance, which will demonstrate full concentration. People often blame each other due to misunderstandings. If you knew the true cause, there would be no problem at all. Your thinking ability will develop when you split the matter into all possible components that reveal the meaning of each of them. Analyze everything deeply as a thoughtful person. This will help you comprehend the inner secrets of matters and get a crystal clear conception. A free state of mind signifies true freedom. Victory and defeat are in your control. So, first, you become free from within. Then, all the natives and aliens will be drawn to you, and the discrimination of near and far will fade away. Establish your guiding principles before engaging in politics. All will then merge into this ethics, which will build up your leadership. Speak fluently and confidently before delivering any speech. Then, everyone would follow the influence of your speech. Judgment itself is often unpleasant. It does not depend on whether it is liked or disliked. Always learn to judge yourself, what I have done, how much I have understood, and how much I am going to express and expose, and how much truth there is. How much have I cheated and pretended for my own establishments? Those who deeply introspect these questions will easily understand the state of their mind and recognize the true capability of their mind. The freedom of a country is fulfilled when the entire population can enjoy the benefits of freedom rather than just a few. Therefore, broaden your vision to expand these boundaries. Where have you been? Where are you coming from? And where are you headed? Why have you come and for what purpose? What is the purpose of your arrival and departure? You will find the answers to all these questions by seeking within yourself again and again. Prayer, meditation, chanting, and ritual practices will awaken you spiritually and respond to you in your search. Just as beauty care is possible through a mirror, you can know the entire universe through the reflection of your inner beauty. The image of the universe is nothing beyond your inner features. Who worships whom? Everyone worships their own existence, and thus, you are the worshipper of that eternal knowledge. Ardent desire for attaining knowledge. You are all inborn from the womb of the same mother, Earth. Therefore, you belong to the same nationality and morality by birth. To free ourselves from conflicts of nationality and ideology, we should sharpen the weapon of knowledge, enriching and empowering the essence of ethics and religion. This will lead to the prosperity of all castes and creatures through your true existence. Always keep in mind that knowledge free from prejudice is the key enabler of every aspect of your attitude, devotion, and endeavor. Like you can know the entire world through a world map from your classroom, you would comprehend the principles of this entire universe from this ever-glowing earth. This will lead you to the zenith of wisdom. One can reach the river by following the channel next to the home. Similarly, the river follows the ocean. Likewise, from matter to molecules and the entire collection of molecules to the entire life, or keep immersed in the philosophical scriptures. Always remember that knowledge and work are the key drivers of your life. If you combine these two qualities to perform any creative work, success is inevitable. If you observe the universe carefully, you will notice that its evolutionary pace is maintaining an excellent balance and harmony. If you pursue your practical life with this same tune and melody, you will not face any problems in doing any creative work. Unit. If the profits from every endeavor are equally distributed among all workers, the greater goal of the work will never be a failure. When passengers on a boat do not maintain a balance and shift their load to one side, the boat is at risk of submerging. Similarly, if you are partial about some specific workers instead of impartially treating them, there will be a % chance of leading to unrest. Therefore, you should become a worshipper of the principles of unbiasedness and equity, illuminating your personality and blooming the beauty of your enchanting nature. Every individual in this vast universe can comprehend the highest knowledge, much like a diver exploring the depths of the sea. Therefore, everyone should collaborate and help one another bloom their investigative inner power. Always remember that the school is not only a learning institution, and a classroom is not only a learning place, the entire world or the universe is a vast library or classroom. Constructiveness. So many barren, hilly, and infertile lands are there. Some of these lands are transformed into fertile ones through great effort by reforming the mountains. Likewise, there are so many talented yet helpless children. If they get the right opportunities, their inner talents will blossom. It is your duty to create good scope and opportunities for them. When everyone in the society follows the same principle, equally sympathetic to others' distress and sharing in others' happiness, that day, we could unite to create an ideal, prosperous society. When people in society try to dominate each other, a discordant tune emerges instead of a melodious one. However, when individuals assist and cooperate with each other's establishment, the foundation of society becomes stronger, and the harmony of daily life grows more solid and melodious. If the attraction of love for the welfare of society on a large scale is awakened, all our problems will be solved. Remember that everyone has an inner attraction, and nature has equally bestowed the same power upon all without discrimination. Some people utilize this power solely for their own benefit, while others use it extensively for the greater good. The people who spread it prevalently are known to us as great workers of nature. Spread your love and positive influence among everyone, and all problems will be resolved quickly and easily. So you all should follow this path. When nationalism arises in one's mind, individuality fades, and nothing is seen as belonging to anyone, the entire world becomes one's home. Therefore, all of you should train and practice with this mindset. Companionship. Each of you has talent that flows naturally like a stream of water which follows whichever direction you dig. The environment that you are placed in helps develop your thought power. Your inner thought takes the photo of the devilish nature when you acquire the company of devils and automatically reflects those devilish wickedness, restless traits into your nature and actions. So, always be careful about the companion. Good company always yields good results. Usually, the children who are born in a renowned music family practice music from their childhood according to their family tradition, and you will see each and every one of these homes is absorbed in this tune. Skills. On the first day of the creation of the universe, nature's most powerful and genius organisms began to reveal their true essence. Everyone has the ability to grow up. See how much fine quality is present in the tiny creatures like the ant. They dig holes to protect their young ones and carry the load of sugar cubes to feed them. How much creativity and energy conservation they demonstrate as a tiny creature. Similarly, birds, animals, and creatures reveal sharp intelligence and wonderful talent. Remember, It is not that insects and animals do not have energy and qualities of their own. All creatures in this universe are endowed with extreme intelligence and talent. Various kinds of vegetables like bottle gourd, pumpkin, brinjal, potato, drumstick, etc. are available at home. It becomes a delicious dish when you chop it and prepare a curry. Similarly, within each of you lies a variety of talents and distinct qualities. If those distinct talents and qualities are applied to a particular work or task, it will yield an excellent outcome. Your innate abilities can be developed through practice. They need not be recreated anew. They are always present within you, as branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits that reside within seeds of a tree. Just as with regular exercise, one can lift 10 kilograms instead of 1 kilogram, likewise, your inner iron-like strength will be transformed into gold through practice. A person could not succeed in a particular work due to a lack of talent is not true. The same individual is bringing success through other works. Some are good at painting, some are experts in singing, and some are versatile in sports. These are simply different forms of talent and skill. Someone may have excelled in English, but you could not. Don't feel discouraged thinking you lack talent or merit. You could become a pioneer in mathematics instead. Always remember that talent and skill develop in specific directions depending on the circumstances. Do not believe in imaginary spirits, such as ghosts, demons, or unseen deities. Always trust in your abilities. Those who follow the rules are great in the world. Remember, you too have the same achievement capability as great individuals who follow the rules. Talent and skill develop through practice. If you dig, you will get water, in some places at 10 feet below, and somewhere at 100 feet. Consistent practice will enhance your talent. Never startle others with unreal or imaginary things that might divert from the truth in some way or another. The fear of listening to ghost and demon stories from childhood has a long-lasting effect on our lives. It weakens our minds and loosens our confidence. You should never follow fear-driven, vague imaginations. The rising sun, the shining moon, and the spinning earth are universal truths. What you can see with your own naked eyes and understand as truth should always be relied upon. You should follow the truth.